Because it's in the vehicle, I chose Tuk Tuk Pizzeria. It's called Double Floor, which we imported also. Even the tomatoes we imported. We are not compromising on any of the ingredients. They taste it once, they again and again go back to the same pizzas. But no one used to do the authentic way of pizzas. Their pricing was too much, and many of the people couldn't afford it. Hi, my name is Kirtan. So I own this Tuk Tuk Pizzeria here. Um, I'm a graduate in mechanical engineering. I finished my engineering in 2021. But then I was very passionate about food. I was really passionate about food. I wanted to start something. But looking at the Bangalore rentals, very unpredictable commercial spaces, very unpredictable rates. So I was like, let's start something nice, but on a very small scale. Then I came up with this truck idea because nowadays food trucks are very popular. So I thought that let me start a food truck. But then what is a dish? I wanted to do something with Italian. So I came up with this. I was very passionate about pizza as well. So that's how I started Tuk Tuk Pizzeria. Almost a year for me to complete this whole setup. Okay. Each part of this vehicle was had to be got from a different place. I had to get this oven from a different place. I had to get this vehicle from a different place. The fabrication was from a different place. So, it is all assembled together. And it is not an easy task to put this oven in the vehicle because this is about 800 kgs. This oven is about 800 kg. Like in the Bangalore, there was a gap in between for pizzas. Always in Bangalore market, there was a gap for pizzas. Pizzas was actually it had a deep spot in the market, but no one used to do the authentic way of pizzas. Only a couple of places used to do, but the price range was too high. Many of the people couldn't afford it, I would say. So we tried to get it in much more affordable way inside Bangalore. Pizzas are much more affordable, I would say. Usually a pizza costs around 800, 900 in a fine dining place. But here we are giving it for 350, 400. But still we are using the best of the best ingredients as well. We are not compromising on any of the ingredients. We use one of the finest doughs, maida for, you not say maida, it's called a Double Floor. The finest flours for pizzas. It's called Double Floor, which we imported also. Even the tomatoes we imported, so that we don't compromise on the ingredients itself. We are not compromising on any of the ingredients. We are giving the best of the best taste. We do only sourdough pizzas, okay, and we have only veg options. We are a pure vegetarian place, and our dough is one of the lightest that you could ever have. It's very gut friendly it's very gut friendly. So when you are having this pizzas, right, you won't feel very full or anything. Very best sellers are our Earth's Basket, barbecue, 4 pillars, creamy broccoli. Are always our go-to pizzas whenever the customer comes in. They taste it once, they again and again go back to the same pizzas.
टेस्ट कैसा है? बढ़िया है। हमारा ऑफिस इधर ही है तो ऐसा
एक नंबर।
This is paneer tikka half and mushroom fantasy half.
रोटी बड़े खाऊ
By stuffing that
Whatever.
dough ferment କରିଛି
ଭଲ
crazy ବନିଛି. Price is अवे भाई.
ପ୍ରୋଡକ୍ଟ କଣ କହୁଛି
Pesto ଅଛି, onions ଅଛି, paneer ଅଛି, sauce ଅଛି.
ଭଲ
दो प्लेट garlic bread. भाई
ତା ମେନ୍ ଜିନିଷଟା ସବୁରେ ବଢ଼ିଆ ରହୁଛି ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଷ୍ଟଫିଂଟା କହିଲି ପୁରା ମେନ୍ ଦ ଷ୍ଟଫିଂଟା ହିଁ ବହୁତ ବଢ଼ିଆ ହ୍ୟାଲୋ ट्राई करियो
You also Ireland. Timings, we are open from 6:30 in the evening till night 11:30. Location, we are located at BTM 16th Main Road in front of Kids Castle School. We are open from Tuesday to Sunday. Mondays are our off.